All right, let's take a look at why you need to really prep a surface well when you're installing metal accents. I'm going to show you why we have to take off your siding, as you'll see a little bit in this picture, why that's really important to do. Let's take a look. So what we do is we run a really high quality, high tack, high temperature ice and water protection over this surface here and along the siding here, and actually that corner that you can't see. So we'll run it right up to the top. We'll send it out this way and down. But whether you have vinyl siding or wood siding like this gentleman does, we have to remove it and then put some back in its place. And we will show you what this metal roof looks like going on and the finished product. So now we're gonna get a look at how these panels are actually made. It's cut and drop. They're 60-inch panels. Guys, if you look closely, there's a roll back there of metal, and it gets formed right through here. We just have people grabbing it on this side. That's our metal panel. Double checking the measurements. That's that custom color I mentioned, the Sierra Tan. And there is our roll of metal. Again, let's watch it come out. Let's check that out. That's how it's manufactured. So guys, this is an idea of how these panels come together. It's snap lock system. Just give you an idea of what's happening here. We got our first piece down. We have metal surrounding the wall roof section and the drip edge metal on the very beginning of the eave of the roof. Now that panel's going to squeeze right in. And it snaps and locks right in place. That's it. We also use a machine called the bracket that goes in on top of that seam and tightens it up as well. But that's pretty much it. That's how it comes together. Next thing we'll look at is the final product, the finished job. All right, guys, so let's take a look at how this metal job came out. I know I walked you through a little bit of the installation, but here we go. Let's check it out. So that's it, and the color is called champagne, which is beautiful. It's gonna go really well with this house once the house is all painted up. We did have to remove the siding and put high tack, high temp ice and water protection behind it. And so that will get repainted by the homeowner, as will the fascia, but it's gonna blend in really nice. This project is gonna look great. So yeah, we have a 24 gauge metal snap lock systems for your home as accents or as complete replacements. I'm Jason, Trinity Roofing. Protect your nest.